Hey friends and fans, Ryan Dohrn here, your friendly neighborhood sales coach, and we're talking about the questions you inspire me to dig into every week as we present these sales training tips. Hey, if you like the tips, head over to YouTube and make sure you subscribe down below by clicking the subscribe button or hitting that little bell, and that'll alert you every time that we add something new. All right, you've heard the saying, timing is everything, and in sales and prospecting specifically, timing is everything. So if you're one of those people that's kind of walking around the office or the house and you're like, you know what, I probably should prospect a little bit today. Yeah, you probably should, and you should prospect at the right time that's perfect for your customer, not for you. Hey, I know some of you out there, you remember that 5 a.m. club. Good for you, by the way. Not me, man. I need a little more sleep than that. Remember, though, no one's going to give you credit for being up at 5 a.m., except for maybe your spouse, partner, or whatever. Most people are going to think, man, 5 a.m., holy cow. A lot of you will answer emails at 5 a.m. You'll answer emails at 7 p.m. Just remember, friends, most people want you to have a life, but also recognize what are the two most common times for corporate meetings. Do you know? 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. Why would you ever prospect at a prime meeting time? First of all, you should be having meetings, right? Secondly, your clients sitting in meetings or your prospects sitting in meetings, they're not going to want to get an email from you. All right, now most business owners are going to start somewhere around 8, 9 o'clock. By the time they get their business rolling, 8, 9 o'clock, now we're at 10, which is very common for corporate meetings. So I like to do my first prospecting block between 11 and noon. Most people don't book meetings before lunch. All right, so lunch comes by. Why not 1 o'clock? Pretty common. 2 o'clock, pretty common for meetings. But when we get to 3 and 4 o'clock, people's days start winding down. I love to prospect between 4 and 5. Tend to get people that are a little bit happier because they're looking at, potentially going home. So from a timing perspective, advice tip number 1, make sure you build your schedule or your prospecting time around your buyer's schedule. Second thing, I have great luck at 11 o'clock and somewhere around 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock-ish in the afternoon, and then I don't prospect on Friday afternoons or Monday mornings. Why not? Monday mornings, people have had a long weekend, they're a little cranky, they don't want to talk to salespeople first thing Monday morning. Sorry for those of you that think that. Friday afternoons, I do find that people are chatty, but I can't really have good quality discussions with people if I'm out there trying to make cold calls and set those meetings. The other thing on cold calls is you kind of got to warm them up because stranger danger is real. Friends, get your timing right, build your schedule around your buyer, and you'll always be more successful. Never forget, if sales was easy, everybody would be doing it, and they're not. We're not crazy. Well, maybe we're a little crazy. This is a great career, and friends, I promise you, it'll feed your family for a lifetime. Love to help you, love to help your team, love to speak at your national sales conference. Visit me for more information over at ryandohrn.com. All right, see you next week.